So today in this video we are going to learn about the second position angle of inclination, wherein how we are going to see the visible faces, visible edges, and hidden faces and hidden edges. So one by one we are going to take. First we are going to take this pentagonal prism, and I'm going to incline this with respect to second position, that is inclination to HP. I'm going to give in the second position, and I'm going to tell you how the faces will be visible and and which are the faces are not visible here. Okay, see in this vertical position we can see the top view, right? Pentagon, it is visible. So as it is inclined here with respect to these base heads, you can see that with the base heads as it is inclined on the right hand side. So in this second position, say this has been inclined with the axis with respect to HP some 40 degree or 45. So when we are looking from the top view, when we want to draw the second position top view, we are able to see this top face, right? So this top face, it is visible, and this vertical edge also visible, and this face also visible. But you can see in this face, this bottom face, pentagonal bottom face, not visible from the top view. That's why it is written in the dashed line part of the pentagon. And then you can see this rectangular face also not visible from this top view. So this is how we have to visualize. Okay, so what we do in the second position top view, so we need to see which are the faces are visible. Okay, top face visible, edges are visible, and which are the faces are not visible. These are we have to visualize. Okay, the same thing we can say with this your pyramid also. Okay, say this has been inclined with the base head, means like this. So we can see from this top view we are able to see this triangular face. Okay, triangular face only visible, but this bottom of this square pyramid also not visible, and this face also not visible. So those things are visible, we are writing with the continuous line. So those faces or edges are not visible, we are writing with the hidden edges, that is with the dashed line. Okay, same case, say this problem it is resting with the base corner. So if it is with the base corner, means we are able to see this edge. Okay, slant edge only visible, and this bottom face not visible. So those faces and the edges are not visible, we are going to write down with the dashed line. Those faces which are visible to us, we are writing with the continuous lines. Okay, so that's how we are going to visualize in the second position top view.